You keep saying, wala akong time sis eh. Eh pareho lang naman tayong may 24 hours. But the only difference is I have 4 assistants who works for me even while I sleep. Even when I'm offline. Habang nakikipaglaro ako sa mga anak ko. And I don't have to pay them a single peso every quincenas at katapusan. If you will do everything, like ikaw yung product creator, ikaw yung mag-create ng mga captions for your posting, ikaw din yung mag-ship, ikaw din yung mag-strategize ng how much mo siya ibibenta. Pag ikaw lahat ang gagawa, it's not really sustainable. Baka hindi ka pa nga nagsisimula, nagkukwit ka na. So stop making everything harder. Inside DIY Premium Incubator, I'm giving you access to my Bibong Pinay AI Power Team. So ano ginagawa nito? These are custom bots that I created specifically for work at home and stay at home moms like you. So yes, hindi lang to basta generic bots. These bots are trained. These bots will help you brainstorm premium product ideas. It will also help you calculate your price para hindi ka naga-undercharge at tutulungan ka din niyang gumawa ng Facebook post that will surely help you convert in just 3 seconds. Hindi mo kailangang maging copywriter at maging genius. You just need leverage. If you want my Bibong Pinay AI Power Team to do 80% of the heavy lifting for you, check the caption below and I'll send you the details.